Welcome to NeuroZenic. This channel is dedicated to exploring the science of the human brain and how understanding neuroscience can help you improve your mindset, your habits, and your ability to achieve meaningful goals. If you have ever asked yourself why you keep delaying important tasks, even when you know they matter, today we are going to explore the neuroscience behind procrastination and how you can train your brain to overcome it. Imagine sitting down to work on something important. Maybe it is studying for an exam, building a project, learning a skill, or planning your future. You know the task matters. You know completing it will move your life forward. Yet somehow you find yourself checking your phone, scrolling through social media, or doing something else that feels easier. Many people think procrastination is simply laziness. But neuroscience shows that procrastination is actually a complex brain process related to emotion, regulation, and reward systems. Inside your brain, there are different systems that influence your decisions. One of these systems is responsible for long term thinking and planning. This system is located in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that helps you make thoughtful decisions and pursue goals that benefit your future. Another system in the brain is responsible for emotional responses and immediate rewards. This system reacts quickly to situations and often prioritizes comfort and short term relief. When you face a difficult or demanding task, these two systems sometimes compete with each other. The prefrontal cortex understands that completing the task will help you in the long run. It encourages focus and persistence. But the emotional system detects discomfort associated with effort or uncertainty. It pushes you toward activities that provide quick relief. This internal conflict is one of the main reasons procrastination occurs. When a task feels overwhelming or stressful, your brain tries to protect you from that discomfort. It does this by redirecting your attention towards something easier or more enjoyable. Checking your phone provides immediate stimulation. Watching videos delivers quick entertainment. These activities give the brain small bursts of dopamine that temporarily reduce the feeling of stress. Unfortunately, this relief is temporary. After the distraction ends, the original task is still waiting. Often, the delay increases anxiety because the deadline becomes closer. Understanding this process helps you see that procrastination is not simply a character flaw. It is the result of the brain trying to regulate emotional discomfort. However, the brain is also capable of learning new patterns. One powerful strategy for overcoming procrastination is reducing the emotional barrier associated with starting a task. Many tasks feel overwhelming because they appear large and complex. The brain interprets this complexity as a potential threat that requires significant effort. When the brain senses this threat, it triggers avoidance behavior. But if the task is broken into smaller, manageable steps, the emotional resistance decreases. Starting with a small action sends a signal to the brain that the situation is manageable. For example, instead of telling yourself to study for several hours, you might begin by reviewing one page of material. Instead of planning an entire project, you might begin by writing a few simple ideas. Once the brain begins engaging with the task, something interesting happens. The brain starts shifting from avoidance mode into engagement mode. As progress begins, the brain releases dopamine associated with anticipation and achievement. This dopamine helps maintain focus and encourages continued effort. Often, the hardest part of any task is simply starting. Once momentum builds, the brain becomes more willing to continue working. Another important factor in procrastination is uncertainty. When the brain does not clearly understand how to approach a task, it may interpret the situation as risky or confusing. To avoid that uncertainty, the brain delays action. Providing clarity can significantly reduce this resistance. Creating a clear plan for how to approach a task gives the brain a structured path to follow. When the brain sees a clear sequence of steps, it becomes easier to initiate action. Environment also plays a major role in procrastination. Your surroundings constantly send signals that influence your behavior. If your environment contains many distractions, your brain will naturally gravitate toward those distractions. But if your environment is designed to support focus, your brain receives cues that encourage productive behavior. Simple adjustments can make a significant difference. Placing your phone away from your workspace reduces temptation. Organizing your workspace helps the brain associate that location with concentration. Setting specific times for focused work trains the brain to expect periods of productivity. Another powerful concept related to procrastination is identity. Your brain tends to behave in ways that match the identity you believe about yourself. If someone repeatedly tells themselves they are lazy, their brain may reinforce behaviors that match that belief. But if someone begins to see themselves as disciplined and capable, their actions gradually align with that identity. Changing identity begins with small actions. Each time you complete a task, despite resistance, you provide evidence that you are capable of discipline. Over time, these actions reshape the way you see yourself. The brain gradually updates its expectations and behavior patterns. At this moment, if you are finding value in understanding the neuroscience behind procrastination, take a moment to subscribe to Neurozenic. This channel is dedicated to helping you understand how the brain works so you can develop stronger focus, better habits, and a more powerful mindset. Now, let us explore another powerful idea. Progress is one of the most motivating signals the brain can experience. When you see visible progress, your brain releases dopamine that reinforces continued effort. Tracking progress can significantly improve motivation. Whether you track completed tasks, hours of focused work, or skills you are developing, visible progress signals success to the brain. This encourages persistence. Another powerful strategy is creating momentum. Momentum occurs when repeated actions build energy that supports continued activity. Completing small tasks early in the day can create a sense of accomplishment that motivates further action. Over time, this momentum makes it easier to tackle larger challenges. Physical health also influences procrastination. Exercise improves blood flow to the brain and supports the release of chemicals that enhance mood and cognitive function. Sleep is equally important. When sleep is insufficient, the brain struggles to regulate emotions and maintain attention. This makes it harder to initiate demanding tasks. Proper rest allows the brain to function more effectively. Nutrition also plays a role. The brain requires energy and nutrients to maintain optimal performance. Balanced nutrition supports focus and mental clarity. These biological factors influence motivation more than many people realize. Imagine applying these principles consistently. Imagine reducing distractions, creating clear plans, starting tasks with small actions, and tracking your progress. Over time, your brain begins to associate effort with achievement rather than discomfort. The activities that once triggered procrastination gradually become easier to approach. Your brain adapts to the new pattern of action. Confidence grows as you see consistent results. Before we finish this video, remember one powerful truth. Procrastination is not permanent. It is simply a pattern the brain has learned. And any learned pattern can be changed through awareness and consistent practice. Each time you choose action instead of avoidance, you are strengthening the neural circuits responsible for productivity and discipline. If this video helped you understand the science behind procrastination and how to overcome it, subscribe to Neurozenic and share this knowledge with someone who wants to improve their focus and productivity. Your brain has extraordinary potential. Guide it with intention. Train it with consistent action. And watch how your ability to achieve meaningful goals continues to grow. Thank you for being part of Neurozenic. Your journey of mastering the mind continues in the next video.